Welcome to Engineering Projects. I am Google help you to turn on load 1 and load 2 on or off. Initializing artificial intelligence, please wait. Okay, I am ready. Say okay Google then speak.
Okay Google, turn on load 1.
Turning on load 1.
Okay Google, turn on load 2.
Turning on load 2.
Okay Google, turn off both loads. Okay Google, turn off both loads.
Turning off both the loads.
Not supported yet.
Okay Google, turn on both loads.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay Google, turn on both loads.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay Google, turn on both loads.
Turning
Sorry,
on both
I
the
don't
loads.
understand.
Okay Google, turn off load 1.
Sorry, power control is not supported yet.
Okay Google, turn off load 1.
Turning off load 1.
Okay Google, turn off load 2.
Turning off load 2.
Thank you.